my back garden. Rose bushes waking up now. This is my wind chime, my owl wind chime. This is my new bush that I bought the other day. This is where I buried my bird who died the other week. And this is my other rose bush. As you can see, full of leaves. This is my green man, my bird table.